Good morning everyone, it's Dave here from Thailand Sites. Well, today I'm at the beach cafe and the owner here, Luke, is going to take me out in his little boat to Waicheck Bay. I've never heard of it, I certainly haven't seen it. We'll go down and have a look and try and get some good videos. Luke goes out on his boat alone. He's a spear fisherman and he likes to get fish for his restaurant. Good morning.
Morning. Ready to go.
Everything good, yeah?
Take off.
How long do you think it'll take to get there?
A few days, eh? A day or two, three.
A few kilometers, you mean? And right down the point down there, that's where we're heading today. That beach you can see in front of you now, that's the abandoned lagoon, and hopefully you can make out the ship that they took in there. There was once hotel rooms, but I've just had my drone up, but it's very difficult to fly. And there's the captain. I think did you say it was about 3 or 4 kilometers? 3 kilometers. Well, this makes a bit of a change from me hanging around on the beach all day. Bit overcast. We had some rain yesterday, but in Koh Chang it can be chucking it down with rain 1 minute and 10 minutes later beautiful sunshine. You can see the black clouds over the hills there, but it may rain or it could just come to nothing. Well, this is it, Wai Chaek Beach with a bit of a lagoon behind there. I was wrong, it is accessible with a vehicle. Seems to be a lot of four-wheel drives here though, but we'll just get out and have a walk along the beach. Lovely place, looks like you could probably camp out down here. This is actually fresh water inside here from the waterfall, or one of the waterfalls on Koh Chang. Quite a nice little bay here, but I don't know how you get to it by car. Maybe I'll try next week and get some video from the other side and drive down. These could be some organised trips. You could probably go snorkeling out here, the water's clear. It's a bit daunting flying a drone from a boat because each time you take off, if you lose the drone and press the return to home, where it took off from, the boat's probably moved by then. Well, this is, if anyone's interested, this is Thursday the 11th of March 2021. Most of the days are sunny, occasional rain showers, but nothing to put you off staying in this area. It's still very quiet with the COVID situation. We've had a few people staying down our cottages where we are, but it's mainly Thai tourists and expats moving around Thailand. Okay, all fixed?
Stop.
Well, the water's very clear here. Oh, he's gone. I can't swim, I don't want to get my microphone wet. Well, this is it, we'll be heading back soon. If anybody wants to come to this area, it's Wai Chaek Beach. I'll try and put not a description, I'll put a Google link to the map for this area, but I will try and find out how you can drive around. It's probably, Luke, is it you drive around the other side of the island, is it?
The other side, but it's four-wheel drive. Eh?
So if you come off the ferry, you would actually have to go left and round there somewhere, but I will try and put something in the description under this video. So that's it for this beach. I got it easy, I just go for the ride. The captain here's got to look after the boat. So if you have a sunny week and not so many customers, how many times do you get out in 1 week spearfishing?
3 times.
Three times a week, yeah? Do you always catch fish when you go out?
Not always, but most of the time. Like last time, saw the whale shark, top.
Oh yeah, Luke's got some video of a whale shark. I'll see if I can put that on this video somewhere.
No links. You go slowly, yeah?
Spectacular bay this is. I just hope my microphone's working. Nice black clouds over there, so maybe we'll get a bit of rain later. But nice and sunny this side. Well, this is the beach cafe, one of my favourite places to eat. And the boat we've just been out in this morning. Not too many customers, but a few today. Hello, Sawadee Kap. Lovely little cafe.